Hey guys, how can you get started in real estate? I don't know where to find the deals. I don't know where to get the money. I don't know how to manage the properties. I don't know how to design it. I don't know how to do the exit strategy. Oh my gosh, it's all overwhelming. Well, we're gonna solve that in this video today. Let's go through it. We're at Ocotillo Street in Phoenix, Arizona, and we've got a couple of special people here with us hanging out, doing a little day with Pace. I've got Luciano, who found the deal. Luciano, you made how much money on this deal?
$19,000 on this one.
Homeboy made $19,000 working with a wholesaler who couldn't get the deal done. He ended up locking it up under a SubTo contract as a 3.25% interest rate. So I didn't find the deal. So this whole thought process of Pace, how do you find these deals? I didn't find the deal. I went to people who found the deal, okay? One of the SubTo community members and said, Luciano, I'm looking for deals in Phoenix, Arizona. Can you help me out? There's your homework. Go find people in the SubTo community. Where can I find them? Maybe in the free Facebook group, Creative Finance with Pace Morby. Hey, Luciano, will you find me a deal? Luciano says, yeah, what are you looking for? How many deals did you send me in the last couple months?
3.
Okay, cool. How much did you make?
Total $72,000.
$72,000 he made in assignment fee. So there's multiple ways to make money in these transactions. Luciano decided, I'm a knucklehead and I'm not gonna take this house for myself. I bought it for myself. I'm gonna take the now money, which is smart actually in a lot of ways. And he's not a knucklehead. He lives in Orlando. He didn't want to have this property. It makes a lot of sense, but he made money on it himself, assigning it to me. Hey, I want to interrupt this video to tell you about Squad Up Summits coming up on April 23rd, 24th, and 25th. All the way down here, guys, check this out. It's happening in Orlando. It's going to be happening in Orlando. Why should you be there? There are going to be people that you meet there that are going to be your private money lenders, people that bring deals to you, people that you can recruit on your team. Our events are the most collaborative events in real estate. We're not just giving you information. Yeah, cool, awesome. If you want information, go to ChatGPT. We have speakers that will help you create the through line into your vision of what you really want to do. You'll walk out of there with a renewed sense of purpose, knowing exactly what you want to do, and more importantly, who you're going to do it with. You will find partners, private money lenders, recruit employees, whatever it is that you need in your business, it will be at Squad Up Summit. So make sure you get your ticket. Go to squadupsummit.com. Now back to the video. Now the next question might pop up and say, well, where did Pace get the money for this deal? If Pace always says he's not using money of his own, then where the heck did Pace get money for this deal? Where did I get money for the deal? Private money lenders like Tigger. Tigger, come here for just a second. There are thousands and thousands of private money lenders in our community, just like Tigger, that are looking for a place to place their private money. Now, not only does she have money of her own, but she has money of other homies of hers, other private money homies, PMHs. She has lots of private money homies that she wants you to reach out to her. So we'll put her Instagram in the description down below. We'll put Luciano in the description down below. Now, Pace, I don't know how to make something look good. I don't know how to get good furniture and cheap stuff and blah, blah, blah. Then you get a Bre. Bre, come in here for a second. Okay, Bre, also in the SubTo community, says, I know how to design things. In fact, what's your Instagram?
Brianna_Ruth_.
Okay, and you're doing mostly short-term rentals.
Yes. That's
so you know how to design things and make them look dope.
Yes, make them look absolutely amazing, and you're gonna want to stay no matter what.
I love it. So
it's one little house.
I don't have to find the deal, I don't have to fund the deal, and I don't have to design the deal. Make sense? So as you're overthinking and you're on the YouTube channel saying, oh my gosh, it must be nice. Yeah, it is nice. Make some friends in the SubTo community. They'll help you out. Go to Creative Finance with Pace Morby Facebook group. But let's take a little tour on this property. Let's go. I want to tell you why this property is so dope. Okay, this property is dope because I've got a portion of the house right here. Used to be a garage. This is rented for $1,700 a month, okay? Now, the rest of the property, come on in. This is where everybody's heading, guys. Everybody is heading to affordable housing. So you look at a place like this, how much would you rent this out for nationwide? The average rent rate in the United States is, bing, well, somebody's gonna rent this for $900 a month. They're gonna get internet, utilities, everything all included with that $900 instead of going to an HOA managed apartment complex and pay $1,700, $1,800. So think about how many people would take this. Now this is unit number 4, so that should tell you something. It means that we have unit 1, 2, and 3 to look at. Now, don't mind the mess. Okay, we have a bunch of furniture that is not brand new, by the way. This is used furniture that we've got through certain mechanisms that allow us to get used furniture. And I don't have to go and spend a bunch of money on furnishing the property, but this is gonna be a PadSplit. So go to splityourpad.com to learn more about how I'm using PadSplit to manage properties like this. So Pace, I don't know how to manage people. I don't know how to find tenants. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. Oh my gosh, what if a tenant bails and I don't know how to find the next tenant? I don't know how to collect the money and PadSplit does all of that for me. That is who we use to manage these properties. So this is room number 1, that's $900. They get all access to the kitchen, that's cool. Then you've got bathroom number 1. This is bedroom 2 right here, and right behind us, we've got bedroom number 1. Now this bedroom rents for more money than anybody else or anything else. They have their own dedicated bathroom, and it is the primary bedroom, okay? So the person that stays in this room is gonna pay probably around $1,100, and the person over here is going to pay $900. And this room right here is a smaller room, so they're gonna pay probably $825, a little bit less, but they are directly across from the bathroom. So there are some benefits. You gotta figure out which room should be rented for how much and all that kind of stuff. Pace, how do I do that? Oh my gosh, I'm already overthinking. Splityourpad.com, go to PadSplit, make sure that they know that you got a property coming on board. They'll help you out. Now, even better yet, here's something cool I wanna tell you. A couple of months ago, I actually did a dedicated training all on PadSplit. I'm gonna give you that training down below. It is a training where they answer every question like, where do the people park? Oh my gosh, what about sharing food? Oh my gosh, are these people okay living with each other? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, overthinking. All of those overthinking questions are answered with a dedicated training all about PadSplit, the model that we are using here. This property seller says, I don't want this property anymore. I've got an opportunity somewhere else and I want to get the heck out of Arizona. Great, we'll take over your payments. So we bought this property subject to 3.25% interest rate. The property, that's my private money lender, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance all in is $2,000. With utilities, PadSplit management is another $1,000. This property will generate around $5,000 to $5,300 per month on average. So I will walk away making $2,000 a month, and I didn't even use any of my own money. My private money lender brought the money to the table. Everything you're seeing here they got paid for, private money lender. I didn't have to use a bank to get this house. Now, I can step back, let PadSplit fill the rooms, collect the money, deal with the tenants, and I kick back and collect $2,000 a month. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but when you take into consideration, yes, I'm making $2,000 a month, plus my tenants are paying down my mortgage, plus I didn't have to get any money out of my pocket, $2,000 a month to own a piece of real estate that's gonna appreciate over a long haul, it's a pretty amazing deal. So go over to the link in the description. You'll get more training on PadSplit. I love that training. It's actually 2 different Zooms that I did with my SubTo community, breaking down PadSplit and the model, and you'll see my rep that I use. Her name is Mandisa. See you later.